This year, Vancouver condo buyers are finally seeing a shift in market power. After years of soaring prices and intense competition, the pendulum has swung towards a buyer's market, giving purchasers more leverage than they've had in a decade. With inventory at record highs and sales volumes down, motivated sellers are more willing to negotiate. But scoring a deal doesn't mean compromising on quality. Here's 4 points on how to buy smart and protect your investment in Vancouver's evolving condo landscape. One, negotiate the price strategically. Condo prices in Vancouver have dipped by 3.5% year over year, with the average unit now selling for about $750,000. But don't assume every listing reflects true market value. Use recent comparables to justify a lower offer. Target listings that have been sitting on the market for 30 days or more. These sellers may be more willing to negotiate a deal. Two, request repairs or credits. With fewer bidding wars, buyers can now insist on inspections and negotiate repairs or credits. Always include an inspection clause. Use findings to request seller-funded repairs or price adjustments. Regardless of how new that building is, never skip this step. Three, scrutinize the strata's financial health. Vancouver's condo buildings vary wildly in financial stability. Review the strata docs and the Form B. Check the reserve fund levels, bylaws, and any pending lawsuits. Watch for red flags like special assessments or rising strata fees. Have your realtor really dig into the details, especially in an older building. And finally, avoid investor dominated buildings. Buildings with high rental turnover often suffer from wear and tear, especially in shared spaces. Look for owner occupied buildings with stable communities. Ask your agent about rental ratios and tenant history. A well managed building with long term residents is a safer bet. Now, you're probably wondering what's caused this shift. Vancouver's condo market has cooled down due to a perfect storm of factors. Interest rate hikes in 2023 and 2024 dampened investor demand. Foreign capital slowed down dramatically. New construction stalled, especially in the condo segment. With inventory surging, you know, the result, a buyer's playground. Now, let's keep in mind here that local nuances matter. While overall market is soft, some neighborhoods are holding up better than others. Kitsilano, Mount Pleasant, and Main Street remain popular for their walkability and lifestyle appeal. Downtown, Cole Harbor condos are seeing deeper price cuts, especially in the luxury segment. Olympic Village. Olympic Village offers modern builds and a strong rental demand. Okay, so final thoughts here. If you're buying a condo in Vancouver, now's the time to be bold but smart. Leverage the market softness to negotiate a better deal, but don't skip due diligence. With the right strategy, you can secure a home that's both a great deal and a solid long term investment.